it is very interesting and innovative to have people use new technologies to manage their own care. And if this is done in a good way, it can really improve the life of people with CF. They can take things in their own hands and have a feeling they have control over their care, their health, and I think that is a very important part of MyCyFAPP.
Because there's a lot of knowledge out there, but how to get it to the patient, and that was, yeah, I think we did a good job in trying to translate all the scientific knowledge to the knowledge for the patient to understand. Yeah.
Well, we know that nutrition plays a very important role in cystic fibrosis, and also that getting a good weight is a very prognostic factor. Children who have a good weight when they reach the age of 18, they live longer and have a better, usually a better health.
Que, o sea, no es solamente una aplicación que te calcule la medicación, sino que es una aplicación donde tienes una guía nutricional, es una aplicación donde puedes poner cómo te sientes emocionalmente. Entonces, o sea, es lo que yo siempre hablo con mi médica Edna, que, o sea, que la sanidad no se puede centrar solo en la parte de medicación, sino que tenemos que salir de esa medicalización del sistema sanitario y un poco hacer la medicina integrativa, la medicina holística que combine todo, alimentación, ejercicio físico, emociones y también medicación.